If you're planning to start a business or invest in real estate in 2025, here's a secret that could save you thousands of dollars. Starting an LLC can help you legally pay less in taxes while protecting your assets. Welcome back to Smart Realty Secrets, where we teach you how to make smart money moves, grow your wealth, and build long-term passive income. An LLC, or limited liability company, is one of the smartest tools any entrepreneur or investor can use. It separates your personal life from your business, which means if something goes wrong, your home, car, and savings stay safe. But the real magic of an LLC isn't just legal protection. It's the way it can help you save on taxes. When you earn money as an individual, the IRS taxes every dollar as self-employment income. That means you pay both income tax and self-employment tax, a big chunk gone before you even invest or save. But when you form an LLC, you gain flexibility. You can choose to be taxed as an S corporation, which allows you to split your income between a salary and business distributions. Here's how that saves you money. Imagine your LLC makes $100,000. You pay yourself a $60,000 salary and take the remaining $40,000 as a distribution. Only your salary is hit with self-employment tax, not the entire $100,000. That simple move can save you $6,000 to $8,000 each year. Completely legal, completely smart. If you're in real estate, an LLC becomes even more powerful. You can hold each property in its own LLC, which protects all your other assets if one property ever faces a lawsuit or financial issue. You can also deduct expenses like mortgage interest, repairs, property management fees, travel costs, and even depreciation, all of which reduce your taxable income and increase your cash flow. It's like turning your investments into a tax-efficient wealth machine. Starting an LLC is easier than most people think. Just go to your state's Secretary of State website, search Form an LLC, and register your business name. The filing fee is usually between $50 and $300. Next, get your employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. It's free and takes only a few minutes online. Then open a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business money completely separate. Congratulations, you're officially a business owner. Now that your LLC is active, treat it like a real business. Keep clean records, track your expenses, and work with a CPA to choose the best tax structure for your income level. Many business owners don't realize that small habits like separating accounts and documenting deductions can save them thousands at the end of the year. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to keep more of it. The more strategically you manage your taxes, the faster you build real wealth. So, if you've been thinking about launching a business, freelancing, or investing in property, make 2025 the year you take control. Form your LLC, protect your future, and start keeping more of what you earn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Realty, secrets for weekly insights on finance, business, real estate, and passive income growth. Because smart money always wins.